Almost all email providers today use what's called Transport Layer Security or TLS encryption to send messages. When you send an email from your account, your email server needs to check if the receiver supports TLS. If the receiving server gives it a thumbs up, both servers establish a secure connection, encrypt the email, and send it over. But what happens when an attacker tries to interfere? If a third party decides to block your server when it's checking for TLS, your server thinks the receiver doesn't support TLS. It goes ahead and sends the email anyway, but without encrypting it. You've basically given the attacker total access to view your data without you even knowing about it. But what if we could tell all the email servers that TLS encryption was absolutely necessary for emails sent to your domain? This would mean that if an attacker tried to stop your email from being encrypted, your server would simply refuse to send it. You can do this by deploying a protocol called MTA-STS, which you can learn about in our other videos. If all your servers just say no to sending unencrypted email, there's no way for an attacker to access your sensitive data in the first place. Okay, now let's assume you've made TLS encryption mandatory. Your sending and receiving servers might fail to establish a TLS encrypted connection, causing delivery issues with emails addressed to your domain. It's important that you know exactly what's going on so you can immediately fix the problem or find out who's disrupting your email. For that, you need data, which comes in the form of TLS reporting, your eyes on the inside. TLS reporting gives you daily reports on the status of emails sent to your domain, showing exactly which emails experienced failure of any kind. It lets you see where you're having problems with email delivery, so you have all the data you need to fix the issue. PowerDMARC offers TLS reporting with MTA-STS and does you one better. TLS reports come in a JSON file format, which can seem really complicated to someone who isn't familiar with it. With PowerDMARC, those reports are automatically converted into charts and tables which anyone can read and understand with no trouble. Being in the dark about your email security can really hurt your brand. When you know everything that's happening in your domain, you're in total control. Get your brand secured with PowerDMARC today and leave nothing to chance.